Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel, bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're in collaboration with Glamnetic. I have 3 glam lashes here and I'm super excited to try at least one of them. And I heard really good reviews on these lashes, and if you go way down on my videos, I did a lash before and it was on Amazon. It was a little more affordable and I actually enjoyed it. But this one is a little more expensive, so I'm hoping for a better result. So that's why I'm super excited, because the lashes that I got from Amazon was amazing. So I'm bet you money that this is going to be even better. If you guys don't know what Glamnetic is lashes that uses magnet. No glue, it's all magnet. So let's get into this review. I have 3 pair of lashes that they sent me and I'm super excited to show you guys these lashes. The first lashes right here I got is this one right here, and these packaging is stunning, and this lashes here is called Lush. Let's open it up so you can see what's all the hype about. This one right here is Lush and it's stunning. Do you see how beautiful and just dark it is? Just love the sweep of the lashes. It's just stunning. So the next pair that I got is this one, and this one is Love Lash. And let's open it up so you guys can see how stunning is the lash. This is Love Lash, and this one is super stunning. This is a little bit more wispier and just separated a little bit, so it depends on what type of lashes you're looking for, but this one is a little more in the natural side. So this one is pretty. I'm loving that one. And the last one that I got is in a different packaging, and it's actually really pretty. So let me put it back so you guys can see. And this one right here is VIP, and this is stunning. Let me open it up so you guys can see how stunning is this. This one actually I love so much because you can wear it for every day. I just love this. It gives you like a cat eye effect. It depends on what type of look are you looking for. If you're looking for all dramatic look or a little more natural, they have all different type of lashes in that website, so you guys can check it out. And if you guys want to know how much the lashes cost, all the pair of lashes cost $29.99. You can reuse it how many times you want. I mean, I think it's perfect for that price. Now I'm going to show you the next item that I got for those lashes, because you need this for the lashes. And I got this right here, and this is So Future Magnet Lighter Pen. This is what you need to make that magnetic lashes stick. So like I said, this is reusable, and let me open it up so you guys can see. So you will be spending a little bit more money, but then you will have it for a long time. So it's not like you have to be buying it every week. So I'm excited to try this out and how you do this. And also, if the magnetic doesn't fit your eyes like it's supposed to, you can cut it to shape it up. So it's like a regular lashes, but without glue. So that's a good step. So I have my little scissor here because sometimes I have to cut my lashes and I don't want the lashes to be super long, so I'm going to cut it. Just make sure where the part of the magnetic is, you just cut that piece and then you just place it in your eyes and it should do the job well. I'm going to pick which one I want today. I'm going to be using VIP today because it's a little more natural on the eyes, and I mean, I'm not really going anywhere today, so I just want to see how nice it looks. So it's super easy. So what I'm going to do is, they said to shake the pen so it can work. I'm like super excited to try this, guys. Like, you don't understand. Where's my mirror? Alright, so they said shake this well. So I shaked it well. So you're just going to use that magnetic pen, and I'm just going to put it on my eye like it's a wing liner. Alright guys, so you see that I did my wing and I did it how I usually do it. So now we're going to place that magnetic lash and let's see if this baby works. So these are it. So all you got to do is just look at the shape and place it in your eyes. This is supposed to be super easy For those people that do not know how to place lashes, magnetic lashes is like the most easiest thing to do if you don't know how to use it with the glue. And it's so much cleaner, and you don't have all that buildup, and you don't have to sit there and wait until the glue is dry for you to place it. These are the lashes right here. I don't know if you guys can see, that's how it looks. And I should have measured it, but let me see if it looks great so I don't have to cut it. I technically don't have to cut it, which that's really weird. But anyways, let's see how easy this is. I also came with this little lash grab right here. It should make the process so much easier with it if you don't want to use your hand. Let's see. Now I'm going to use this and I'm going to squeeze it in so it can like match with the other, my real lashes. I didn't need to cut it so it like matched perfectly with my eye shape, but this is beautiful. You know what I'm going to do? To spice up this video, I'm going to use the other pair on my other eye so you can see the difference with this lash right here, the VIP, and I'm going to choose another one so you can see the difference which eye is nice. And if you guys do like one of the lashes, I'm going to write out the name so you guys can purchase it. But this is the VIP and this one looks amazing. Like, it's so beautiful, and you see how easy it was just to place that liner with no glue, no messes, no nothing, and it was so quick and easy. I'm just loving that. It's doing the job what it's supposed to do. So like I said, if you guys are not into, or you guys don't know how to put lashes on, magnetic will be the best first step for you guys to start practicing putting lashes on, because this was super easy and so manageable to place it in the eyes. Oh my gosh, I love it. But let me stop talking. Let me do the other one now. And I'm going to be using, actually I want to use this one. I'm going to be using Lush. This one is a little more like in your face, like super glam. This is the one I'm going to be using for my left eye. So let's wing my eyes. But I love it, it's so pretty. Let's do the next eye. I'm gonna wing it. And make sure you do the liner a little bit thicker so the glam lashes can just grab it really nicely. So make sure you do that. And I love how the liner is not shiny. It's like matte, and I love that in a liner. So you can like always wear this out. So this is how a Lush looks. Super pretty. I'm loving how dark it is. It's just gorgeous. So this one right here is the Lush. This is how the Lush looks. I don't know if you guys can see that. VIP and Lush, which I like both. I think both is giving, but Lush is just so beautiful. It's like, I mean, what do you guys think? Which one you like? Comment down below. But I like both, so I don't know which one I'm like, whoa, this is the one. But both is just giving. It's giving. So yeah, I'm loving this technique. It's like, I feel like the liner is a little sticky, which is supposed to do the job. But everything came out nice. And the process was super easy, as you guys can see. I'm just loving the lashes. I can't wait. And the good thing about this is that it's reusable. You can keep using it, and you don't have to like wash the magnetic, like, you know, regular lashes that you have to, like, if you want to reuse it, you have to wash it and then put it in a little case and put it back and keep it, you know, keep washing it and cleaning it. This right here, you don't have to do that. You just take it off, put it back in the case, and reuse it again, because this right here, you can see the case, it has a little magnetic little peel that you place the lashes back inside the case, and you can reuse it over and over and over again. I have kids, so I'm looking for things that are super fast and quick and just on the go, but still look very nice and presentable, and I don't have to take forever in the bathroom trying to do my makeup, because life is hectic, you know what I mean? But anyways, guys, I love this. I will link everything down below so you guys can go check the website out, and you guys can check the prices. I'm impressed with these. They also have nails too, so if you guys don't want to purchase Glamnetic lashes, they also got nice nail sets that you guys can check out. And if you guys love this review, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until my next video, guys, bye.